The best thing about that story I'm coaching a client a little later this morning, so I decided to come down to the gym where I train him a little bit early. And I did laundry the other day, but I haven't put everything away and sorted it yet, or perhaps the other way around, sorted it and put it away. So I kind of dug into my closet of other stuff that I haven't worn for a while, and I found these old shorts, put them on, and realized, yeah, they're a little short, but no big deal. And the fact that I can say no big deal about it is a big change from years ago. I don't have the most body hair of anybody in the universe. And when I was a teenager, I made the mistake of buying a couple of pairs of short shorts for gym class, after which I got regularly teased about how I must shave my legs because there was no hair on them. And if you're old enough to remember the old commercials for Nair, which is a hair remover in the 1970s, it used to be, who wears short shorts? So-and-so wears short shorts, so of course that got used. Thing is, I've got good legs, and I don't have any trouble showing them off anymore. So here I am in the gym with my slightly short shorts, and of course lots of other skin showing, because guess what? The best thing about that story is that when clients tell me they're nervous about going into gyms or nervous about the kinds of teasing they might get, I can hold that story out of my bag of tricks and say, yeah, I get it, but look at us now. We got the right to train our bodies however we need to. We can make lots of progress. Nobody can actually hold us back anymore, and let's go get it. So I come from a place of empathy. I come from a place of sharing the struggle, and I come from a place of, if those mofos in gym class could see me now, I win.